Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson XLT 1000 Ironhead, $3,000, Morgantown, West Virginia. The 1975 Harley-Davidson XLT 1000 Ironhead represents one of the most recognizable eras of Sportster history, known for its rugged V-twin character and unmistakable Harley-Davidson styling. Ironhead models remain popular because of their mechanical simplicity, customization potential, and authentic vintage riding experience. Even decades later, these motorcycles continue to attract riders looking for classic American motorcycle character. This example is described as running well and comes equipped with new tires, making it a straightforward vintage Harley for its next owner. The motorcycle appears ready to be enjoyed as a rider or personalized further. For buyers seeking an affordable entry into classic Harley ownership, this Ironhead offers plenty of old-school appeal. Number 2. 1972 Honda CB750 K1, $4,300, Port Washington, Wisconsin. The 1972 Honda CB750 K1 remains one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced, helping establish the modern superbike category during the early 1970s. Known for its smooth inline-4 engine, reliability, and comfortable highway performance, the CB750 quickly became a favorite among riders worldwide. Well-preserved K1 models continue to hold strong appeal among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts today. This example shows approximately 20,000 miles and is described as running and riding great. The seller highlights the excellent original paint and largely original exhaust system, while noting comfortable highway cruising performance. For riders wanting a classic Japanese 4-cylinder motorcycle with proven reliability and collector appeal, this CB750 K1 looks like a very attractive option. Number 3. 1960 Triumph T20 Cub, $4,500, New Paltz, New York. The 1960 Triumph T20 Cub is a lightweight British motorcycle that earned a loyal following thanks to its simplicity, charm, and distinctive vintage styling. Originally designed as an economical machine, the Cub became popular with riders seeking easy handling and classic Triumph character. Today, surviving examples have become increasingly desirable among collectors of smaller displacement British motorcycles. This rare example stands out for its originality and vintage appeal, offering enthusiasts a chance to own a motorcycle that is not often seen on the market. Its compact size and classic red finish further enhance its nostalgic character. For collectors searching for an uncommon piece of Triumph history, this T20 Cub presents a unique opportunity. Number 4. 1976 Suzuki GT, $4,000, Ooltewah, Tennessee. The 1976 Suzuki GT series helped define the golden era of Japanese two-stroke motorcycles with lively performance and a distinctive exhaust note. These motorcycles remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate the unique riding experience that only a vintage two-stroke can provide. Their combination of performance and character continues to attract collectors decades after production ended. According to the seller, this motorcycle has received significant mechanical work, including rebuilt carburetors, new crank seals, first-over pistons, and functioning oil injection. The bike also features custom expansion chambers while retaining the original exhaust system. With low-mileage tires and reportedly excellent running condition, this Suzuki GT appears ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 5. 1970 BSA 650 Lightning, $7,500, Bolton, Connecticut. The 1970 BSA 650 Lightning represents one of the most iconic British motorcycles of its era, admired for its classic styling, parallel twin performance, and strong connection to motorcycle history. During the late 1960s and early 1970s, the Lightning became one of BSA's most successful models and remains highly collectible today. Original examples are especially valued by enthusiasts who appreciate authenticity and preservation. This motorcycle is described as an unrestored original owner example, showing only 4,000 original miles. The seller also notes that it has earned trophy-winning recognition, highlighting its impressive preservation. For collectors looking for a highly original British classic with documented ownership history, this BSA 650 Lightning offers exceptional vintage appeal. Number 6. 1974 Kawasaki KZ400, $3,200, Wappingers Falls, New York. The 1974 Kawasaki KZ400 helped build Kawasaki's reputation for producing reliable and practical middleweight motorcycles during the 1970s. Powered by a parallel twin engine, the KZ400 offered a balance of everyday usability, efficiency, and classic styling. Today, these motorcycles remain popular among enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Japanese bikes with simple mechanical designs. This example features the attractive red, black, and gold color scheme, along with chrome fenders, spoked wheels, and dual exhausts. The seller notes that the lights and turn signals are functioning properly, while the bike retains much of its original appearance. For riders seeking an affordable vintage Kawasaki, this KZ400 looks like a solid choice. Number 7. 1974 Vespa 150, $4,900, Reading, Pennsylvania. The 1974 Vespa 150 represents one of the most iconic scooter designs ever produced, combining Italian style with simple and dependable transportation. Vintage Vespas remain popular thanks to their timeless appearance, lightweight handling, and loyal enthusiast community. Well-kept examples continue to attract both collectors and casual riders. This scooter has received numerous upgrades, including a Penasco top end, larger carburetor, upgraded suspension, brakes, clutch, and exhaust. The seller also includes original parts, spare components, and service records. With a reputation for starting easily and handling long trips, this Vespa appears ready for many more miles riding. Number 8. 1977 Yamaha XS 650 Street Tracker, $2,800, Phoenix, New York. The 1977 Yamaha XS 650 remains one of the most respected Japanese twins ever built, known for its strong torque, simple design, and classic character. Over the years, the XS 650 became a favorite platform for custom builders, especially in cafe racer and street tracker form. Its combination of reliability and vintage style continues to attract enthusiasts today. This example has been converted into a street tracker and features Mikuni carburetors, electronic ignition, upgraded shocks, and 18-inch wheels. The seller notes that the motorcycle is street legal and ready to ride. For buyers looking for an affordable custom classic, this XS 650 offers plenty of personality. Number 9. 1972 Norton Commando, $4,500, Westfield, Massachusetts. The 1972 Norton Commando remains one of the most legendary British motorcycles ever produced, admired for its performance, handling, and timeless styling. During the early 1970s, the Commando became one of the most respected twin-cylinder motorcycles on the market. Well-maintained examples continue to be highly desirable among vintage British bike enthusiasts. According to the seller, this motorcycle features a freshly rebuilt engine, along with a new wiring harness, battery, and tires. The bike is described as starting, running, and riding as it should, while still offering room for future customization. For enthusiasts seeking a usable Norton, this Commando presents an attractive opportunity. Number 10. 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $3,000, Staten Island, New York. The 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000 helped redefine motorcycle touring by combining smooth performance, reliability, and long-distance comfort. As one of the earliest Goldwing models, the GL1000 established a foundation that would influence touring motorcycles for decades. Today, these first-generation Goldwings remain popular among vintage Honda enthusiasts. This example is described as a low-mileage motorcycle finished in a rare yellow color. Recent updates include a new battery, ignition switch, air filter, and Delcovic exhaust system, while previous servicing reportedly included timing belt replacement. The seller notes that the bike runs and rides great, making it an appealing vintage touring machine.
Number 11. 1989 Moto Guzzi Mille GT, $5,500, Johnstown, Ohio. The 1989 Moto Guzzi Mille GT is a classic Italian sport touring motorcycle built around the famous Tonti frame, a design respected for its stability and long-distance comfort. Powered by Moto Guzzi's signature V-twin engine, the Mille GT offers a unique riding experience that continues to attract enthusiasts today. These motorcycles remain appreciated for their character, durability, and distinctive styling. This example shows approximately 14,500 miles and is described as running strong with all maintenance up to date. The seller also notes brand new tires and largely original condition with only minor cosmetic wear. For riders seeking a vintage Italian motorcycle with proven road manners, this Mille GT appears to be a very clean example.
Number 12. 1971 Suzuki T500 Titan, $3,500, Carrollton, Ohio. The 1971 Suzuki T500 Titan became one of the most respected Japanese two-stroke motorcycles of its era, known for its strong performance and dependable design. Combining everyday usability with classic two-stroke character, the Titan earned a loyal following among riders during the 1970s. Today, these motorcycles remain popular among collectors of vintage Japanese machines. This example shows approximately 24,000 miles and retains its original aqua blue paint. The seller describes the bike as looking good and running well, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts seeking a usable vintage two-stroke. For the price, this T500 offers a nice blend of originality and classic Suzuki character. Number 13. 1944 BSA M20, $9,600, Upper Marlboro, Maryland. The 1944 BSA M20 is one of the most iconic military motorcycles of World War II, widely used by Allied forces for communication and transport duties. Known for its rugged construction and dependable performance, the M20 became an important part of wartime operations. Surviving examples with documented military history remain highly desirable among collectors today. According to the seller, this motorcycle was associated with the 1st Polish Armored Division during 1944 and served as a dispatch rider machine. Several reproduction items have been fitted, while many original components remain with the bike. For collectors seeking a historic military motorcycle, this BSA offers both rarity and strong historical appeal.
Number 14. 1966 Triumph Custom, $14,000, Bronx, New York. The 1966 Triumph Custom showcases the creativity and craftsmanship that have long made vintage Triumphs popular foundations for custom builds. Motorcycles from this era are admired for their lightweight feel, classic British styling, and strong enthusiast following. Well-executed customs often stand out for their individuality and attention to detail. The seller describes this motorcycle as a full custom build with numerous one-off components throughout. It is reported to run and ride great while carrying a clean title. For buyers looking for a unique vintage British custom with show-quality presence, this Triumph appears to offer something truly distinctive.
Number 15.
1986 Honda Shadow, $800, Alexandria, Virginia. The 1986 Honda Shadow helped establish Honda as a major player in the cruiser market by combining V-twin styling with the company's reputation for reliability. These motorcycles became popular for their comfortable riding position, easy manners, and approachable ownership experience. Even today, early Shadows remain attractive options for budget-minded vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This example is described as a project motorcycle that was running when purchased by the current owner. The seller notes that the lights function, but the bike will need several maintenance items, including brake service, fuel system attention, battery charging, and minor repairs. For buyers seeking an inexpensive restoration project, this Honda Shadow offers a very affordable starting point.